Our proposal, I yield 2 minutes to the gentlewoman from Minnesota, Ms. McCollum.
Without objection, so ordered. The gentlelady from Minnesota is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise in opposition to the full-year CR. This bill abdicates our constitutional responsibilities to direct funding, and it gives it to Elon Musk and Mr. Trump. It undercuts the separations of powers in our Constitution. This CR cuts $13 billion from domestic priorities that Americans rely on. I'm going to talk specifically about $2.2 billion in reduction to health care. Here's a few examples. $280 million cut from NIH means cuts to research and clinical trials. Fewer lives will be saved. The bill removes congressional directions for CDC funding. That's how we detect and control health threats at home and from abroad. And there's an $891 million reduction to HHS investments. That will lead to more health care workforce shortages. The ramifications of these cuts will be felt everywhere, but especially to the most vulnerable Americans who are already hurting from the illegal cuts Elon Musk is making to health care grants and research. $17 million reduction to Indian Health Service facilities, and they're already falling apart. The bill shortchanges our veterans by failing to include $22 billion in advance funding for VA toxic exposure. That jeopardizes the health care of our veterans exposed to burn pits and Agent Orange. And the bill cuts DoD medical research by over $850 million. This will obstruct new cures for cancer and infectious diseases. These just aren't funding cuts. The Republicans are cutting cures and treatments and hopes for healthier American families. And this is before we know what Elon Musk has in store for Social Security, disability, Medicaid, and Medicare. A full-year CR is a disaster, and it does not have to be this way. The American people deserve better. I urge my colleagues to defeat this PQ and bring forward a short-term CR, and let's get to work. I yield back.